Hi, I'm going to show you how simple it is if you've got some rub spots where you're concerned about. It's very simple. You need some painter's tape, and what you want to do is line it up as close to that edge as possible. Once you get it down, you want to press that really hard. Once you have this securely down on the top, take your bottle, there's a little ball in there, shake it maybe 30 seconds, wait for things to settle a little bit, and then you open it up. Make sure you have gloves on and some kind of eye protection, glasses, something like that. And then you take this, make sure that there isn't so much on here that it would drip. This is actually dry for demonstration. And then you would just go along the edge like this, however far down you need to. And let's just say this is the area, and then you would stop and then wait 2 hours. Do that one more time. Wait another 2 hours. If you want a third coat, do it one more time. And then after that, I would wait the balance of the day before I touched that area. You could touch it the next day, but it takes a full week to cure, to get as hard as the rest of the top coat. And that's it. Oh, one other thing. If that area is shinier than the rest, we sent a small piece of the Scotch-Brite pad and just gently go over that area, and it will dull it down nicely and blend it right back in. It'll be protected.